How to redeem Fortnite V-Bucks code on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can redeem Fortnite V-Bucks code on mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks code on mobile, it's very simple. Open up your browser, then simply go to fortnite.com/vbucks card. I'll make sure to drop this direct link in the description box below. So you can just go to fortnite.com/vbucks card, and then you will see this type of interface that says redeem your V-Bucks card. So all you have to do is just tap the get started button. Now after you tap and get started, it will ask you to log into your Fortnite account, which is the Epic Games account. So make sure that you sign into the correct account so that you don't redeem it in another account, right? So once you make sure that you sign into a correct account, which is the Epic Games account over here, it will take you to the page where you can simply go ahead and then enter the redeem code. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully redeemed your Fortnite V-Bucks code on your mobile. That's all it takes to redeem Fortnite V-Bucks code on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.